Hey, Paul.
Didn't have a fancier one, huh?
Nope, this is all I got.
You need some curb feelers.
Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
No.
Oh. This is what I want for Christmas, in case you're wondering.
Looks nice.
Speedometer says 90. I know it'll do 80. Because I went 80 with Steve's.
Mm-hmm.
Now this engine is...
300.
Oh, that's plenty big enough.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying.
Influencer.
No one's being influenced.
Influence.
Other than, don't do what that guy does.
Don't do that. My dude down here, you can take your time. I'm going to take care of the business. And I'll come back and get you.
Sounds good.
Perfect weather day.
Beautiful day.
Besides that real.
Interrupted 2 for 1.
Oh yeah.
I'm afraid their mother wouldn't want
You staying cool under here? Hey, you coming out? All right.
You should hear him when he howls. He doesn't bark.
Mm-hmm.
He goes ooh, well, like a coon dog. You have to hear it. That's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
High blood pressure. We're talking about medication. This is what old white guys do. Shows me his medication.
That's half of it.
He's got cholesterol, I got cholesterol. You have high blood pressure?
Yes.
You got high blood pressure, I got blood pressure.
There you go.
Better diet. That's all I can say.
I'm on a strict diet.
Yeah.
Looks like 7 right here. 7 number and all that, $22. 22, $2, $20. $20 bill, 20, $20 bill, 21. Get them money, $10, 12 and $10, just take a little longer, 15. $15, that is it, 15. $15, 15, 12 and
Put this little piece here so I can tie stuff off there. That's about the biggest thing you can take on that.
Yep. Is this rubbing against your back right here?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah.
Can you take a picture of me?
Yeah.
You need some curb feelers.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
No.
Oh. In the 1950s, they had what's called walls. They're white walls.
Yeah.
But it's called walls.
Okay.
And the white walls can be anywhere from this tall to that tall.
Yeah.
And the object is to keep them looking like brand new.
Oh, got you.
A lot of work goes in.
Yeah.
What you don't ever want to do is like that touch the curb.
Oh, got
In
you.
the city, in particular, when you're parking.
Yes.
So they invented a curb feeler.
Oh, man.
I think that's what everybody calls them. And it's a piece of spring about this long, spring, that you attach here
Uh-huh.
on your car. And then when you get close to the curb, it hits the curb and it goes, it makes a lot of noise.
That sounds like a lot of work.